Hello, my name is Maria Dolores Larrubia. I'm professor of material science at University of Jaén, and I'm going to present the poster entitled From Classroom to Business Ideas, Fostering Econ Innovation through Engineering Entrepreneurship Education. Today, we face a global challenge that requires us to change how we produce and consume. We need to reduce our environmental impact and promote sustainability in all sectors. To address these challenges, engineers must have both technical skills and entrepreneurial abilities, and this combination will help them to drive innovation and develop sustainable industrial models. At the University of Jaén, we are integrating innovation and entrepreneurship in our engineering programs, and this approach aims to enhance students' employability and prepare them for a circular economy. The main goal of this paper is to introduce a new training program designed to cultivate an entrepreneurial culture among the engineering students, focusing in promoting innovation and in the industrial sector. The key goals of the programs are development of entrepreneurial sustainability competencies, integrating transversal training, enhance employability and competitiveness, and the promotion of the circular economy. Um, about the methodology, the first part of these slides is related to the description of the agent involved in this experience. The teaching team is highly multidisciplinary. It is formed by several professors of different areas: electrical engineering, electronic engineering, automation engineering, and environmental and materials chemical engineering. Additionally, young research is part of this team. This diversity allows for a more comprehensive approach to entrepreneurship education. Moving on, the subject involves two key courses were selected: fundamentals of solar photovoltaic energy of the master in renewable energies, and photovoltaic installation of the electrical engineering degree. The students enrolled in the first subject were 27, and almost 78% of them participate in the training. And in the second course, the 10 students were enrolled, and all of them participated in the training course. It's important to highlight that the participation in these activities were voluntary. However, to encourage the engagement, all these activities accounts for 10% of the final mark in each course. Regarding the methodology, the activities were structured in a blended learning format, combining both synchronous and asynchronous elements. Some activities were in classroom session, were presential, and some activities were virtual, using social media like Facebook or LinkedIn. In addition, a key moment in the experience was the Entrepreneurship Day, which brings together several stakeholders, entrepreneurs who shared their experience, the students support service of the University of Jaén, which provide guidance about entrepreneurial activities, and a visit to a science and technology park, um, which offered students a real world perspective of innovation and industry. To measure the impact of the experience in the of these activities, a survey was conducted before and after the training. The first set of questions assess student initial knowledge and attitudes toward entrepreneurship and sustainability, and the questions are shown in the slide. No? The question were, have you thought about starting your own business? Do you think that starting your own business is a professional outlet for you? Do you know any technical advisory body offered by University of Jaén in the field of entrepreneurship? Do you think that sustainability are important when starting a business? And do you consider that this experience has positively motivated you to follow the course? The same question were asked again after the training, and then we evaluate any change in perspective. About the results of the experience, the impact of the social network were really interesting. The students participate in all the activities in the social media, and in terms of the feedback in the surveys, the the result showed an increase in the improvement of all the questions, and this almost 78% of the students consider that the activities were help them to motivate and follow the course. The conclusion of this experience are that the shift to a circular economy is essential to address the environmental crisis, requiring collaboration across the society. The entrepreneurial education fosters innovation, combining active learning, industry engagement, and startup support. And the initiative increased entrepreneurial interest, resource awareness, and motivation, reinforcing sustainability's role in business. That's all. Thank you for your attention.